vowels and consonants. Yesterday only I told you that there are 26 alphabets in our English language. These are here. But from these all 26 alphabets, some sound known as a vowel sound and some are known as a consonant sound. So which are the vowel sound? Everyone have to look here. Here is a A, then E, then I, O, and U. So A, E, I, O, U. These five are known as a vowel sound. So which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U known as a vowel sound. And the remaining B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, then M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These rest 21 known as the consonant sound. Why the A, E, I, O, U known as a vowel sound? So listen, whenever we pronounce the A, E, I, O, U, that time our tongue, our lips and our teeth, they never block. मतलब जब हम लोग A, E, I, O, U जब बोलते हैं तब हमारी जो टंग है, हमारे लिप्स है और जो टीथ है वो बंद होते नहीं, वो खुले ही रहते हैं. That's why these are called the vowel sound. But when we pronounce the B, C, D, F, that time what happen? Our tongue, lips and teeth, they block, वो बंद होते हैं. That's why these are known as a consonant sound. Now let's sing a song of vowels. Okay, we are the vowels, we are the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. We are the vowels, we are the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Now here is a A. Who is here? A. I am a A. I make the sound A. I am a short vowel A. Okay, fine. Now whose turn? Here is I, which is the vowel I. Then third word C-U-T, cut. In this, which is vowel? Vowel is U. Vowel is U. Next word E-double-G-A. And in this word, vowel is E. Where is the E? Okay. Then next word K-I-D, kid. And in this word, which is the vowel? Yes, there is the I. Okay. Then next word B-O-N-E, bone. Which is the vowel? Here is a one or two vowels. Yes, I think there are the two vowels. Which are they? O and E. There are two vowels. Then next word B-A-L-L, ball. Here is only one vowel, and that is the A. Then next word C-A-M-E. Again, here are two vowels. How many vowels? Two. Which are they? A and E. The next word is G-O-T, God. In this word, one vowel, and that is O. The last word is here M-A-P, man. And which is the vowel? A. So, these are the vowels. Which vowels are here? A, E, I, O, U. Now, the next exercise, circle the consonant sound. Here we have to circle the consonant sound. Now, which are the consonant sound? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the consonant sound. Now, words. J, A, M, jam. Which are the consonant sound here? Here J and Y. J and Y consonant. In next word D, A, D, dad. In this again two consonants. They are the D. Third word. The word is P-E-N, pain. P-E-N, pain. In this P and N known as consonant. Next H-A-T, hand. In this H and T are consonants. Next word is air. And here R is a consonant sound. Then the word is here B-O-O-R. In this word B and R. These are two consonants. Next word B-O-O-K, book. In this word B and A consonant. Then here word is T-R-E-E, tree. Here T and R are the consonants. Next word S-K-Y, sky. In this word S and Y consonant sound. And the last word is D-O-G, dog. Here D and G consonant sound. So students, do you understand vowel sound and consonant sound? Okay, today you have to write these all vowel sound and consonant sound in your notebook and also write this exercise